So this is the newest pedal. You've got two channels. Like green is your, that's your normal bypass channel. Then you've got this channel, and it's just a gain knob. That's all it is. And then you get this channel, and that's just a gain knob. That's all it is. From either channel, you can, turn it off to go back to bypass, or you can go straight to the other channel. So you can go anywhere from anywhere. You can do a surprising amount of stuff just with two preset gains. I mean, this gain knob is at a unity at about 11 o'clock. So you can, use it as a mute. You can use it as a cut, or you can use it as a full-on 18 decibel boost. Let me show you some of the differences here. I've got my guitar single coil or single humbucker run into a shitty little line 6 amp with some medium crunch on the channel for variety here. So by varying the volume, you can have a lot of impact on a crunch channel. And then you can set each switch to be like a normal switch in the latched mode, or to be momentary. I'm trying to balance this in front of the camera here. So you can do all kinds of great stutter effects with it in momentary. Actually, I'm going to move this so I can start doing footy kind of stuff with it. And then if you want, we got the stutter effect. You can turn that on for either one of the channels in latched or momentary mode. Bear with me, I wired the speed knob backwards on this prototype version.